Hi there, it's Mrs. Foltz, and this is your first homework help video for Unit 1, Lesson 1. And so what I would typically do during these videos is give you some helpful hints or tips for questions that I think are challenging. Now, since this is the first homework, then I don't really feel like you need help on any of this, but you do need a compass and a straight edge. And so you're going to use your compass for question number 1 and just try to tell if all of the sides are the same way that we did it in class today. And so then for question number 2, you're going to look at your vocab terms that we went over today in class, and you're just going to write in the box what vocab term is depicted here. So that's it, and really besides that, I think you've got a pretty good handle on this. So that's your homework help video for today, and I hope that you find these useful in the future, and good luck.